Welcome to this session on inspecting and replacing defective gauges on the dashboard. In this session, we will cover the process of checking instruments and gauges for optimal functionality. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to verify that the instruments and gauges are working correctly, install new instruments and gauges.
Tools and equipments required: trainees toolkit, multimeter, vehicle, materials required, cotton waste as required, soap oil as required, gauges as required, bulbs as required, wire as required. Let us start the session by examining dashboard instruments. Get ready to explore and understand the dashboard components. While starting the procedure, ensure that the vehicle is parked on a level surface. Parking on the level surface will guarantee stability during checks and maintenance. After parking the vehicle accurately, secure it by placing wooden chokes against the wheels. This precautionary measure helps prevent any unintended movement, ensuring stability and safety in the parked position. Now, apply the handbrake and assess the dashboard to confirm that the parking brake light illuminates as an indication of its proper functioning. This step ensures the parking brake is engaged and functional before further checks. Now, all you must do after securing the vehicle is to switch on the main ignition and check the dashboard for warning lights and instrument readings. This step ensures that all essential systems are working properly. Verify the proper functioning of critical indicators such as engine warnings, oil pump status, seat belt reminder, battery charging status, headlight and side indicator notifications, as well as safety and cabin temperature indicators. These warning lights serve as vital indicators of the vehicle's health and readiness for operation. The next step is to start the engine. Pay close attention to the RPM meter, fuel gauge and temperature gauge. The RPM meter measures the engine's revolutions per minute, indicating its operational status. The fuel gauge provides information about the fuel level, crucial for planning refueling stops. Simultaneously, the temperature gauge monitors the engine's temperature, ensuring it remains within optimal operating limits to prevent overheating and potential damage. Let us continue the session by checking defective gauges and instruments and replacing it. Start the procedure by starting the engine and inspecting warning lights on the panel boards. This systematic approach entails a carefully planned troubleshooting sequence to identify and address potential issues. If no warning lights are illuminated, the second step advises inspecting connections and bulbs, suggesting bulb replacement and addressing loose wire connections if needed. Subsequent steps involve checking and replacing defective components such as the RPM meter, fuel gauge and temperature gauge. Moving the vehicle and verifying the speedometer during operation ensures a comprehensive assessment of RPM meter functionality. Note that the speedometer is also known as a odometer. In case of defects in the odometer and RPM meter, a thorough examination of wire and cable connection is recommended, with the replacement of any faulty gauge sensor wires. Now, with the thorough grasp of the topic, it's crucial to highlight the final step before concluding. This step underscores the significance of verifying the functionality of all gauges and warning lights after replacement. It not only addresses individual instrument defects but also emphasizes the necessity of the comprehensive system check to ensure the overall functionality of the vehicle's instrumentation.
Let's recap this topic. In this topic, you have learned that verify the proper functioning of critical indicators such as engine warning, oil pump status, seat belt reminder, battery charging status, headlight and side indicator notifications, as well as safety and cabin temperature indicators. These warning lights serve as vital indicators of the vehicle's health and readiness for operation. Hope you have clear understanding of this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you.